This is Larry Womack at Womack's Nursery in De Leon. As we're looking around the farm, the 20th of July, one of the things that we're doing is patch budding pecans. I'm going to take this plastic off to show you what a patch bud looks like. We've been doing this for 6 weeks and we'll do about 30,000 of them this year. This one was put on about 6 weeks ago. As you can tell, it's already healed up and the tree has accepted. It's got green bark, so that means it's good. What we'll do next year in March is we'll strip all the bark above this tree, above the bud, and force all the sap and stuff out this one bud. This will entail us coming through here 2 or 3 times next summer, cleaning off all the suckers and make sure that our tree grows straight and upright. This is the way we know that we get whatever variety of pecan that we want. As we planted these pecans, we don't know what the genetics of this tree is. Once we put this patch bud on, we know that that bud is a certain variety, say Pawnee, Choctaw, whatever. We'll force the growth up and out, it'll make a tree, and it'll be ready for sale in 18.